Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Sophia.
And today you are watching Perfectly Imperfect Family. So today we are, it's November 24th and we are currently in the bus stop waiting for the bus to take us to BWI Marshall Airport. Buses, so these are the buses we'll be taking. Those buses we're going to be taking. And yeah. Mom, Dad, say hi.
Mom!
Mom! Say hi. See, those are Mom and Dad waiting in the bus stop, and then that's our luggage. So yeah.
Why would I love this?
So we're just having fun here. So we're on the bus now. We just left our luggage.
You can make the table for
So we just walk. So yeah, we're on the bus now. We should go all the way to the back. All the way to the back.
Oh my gosh, there's a bathroom right here. I've never been.
Mom, back here. Mom, acá
back
atrás hay 5, sí.
I don't like it.
Antes no. Acuérdense que fue un poquito tarde de calcular mucho. Por ejemplo, y yo no sé cómo lo tienen. Claro, lo puse inside del pueblo, de la ciudad.
We made it. Holy, I dropped it. Just walk. We're going inside. Say hi. We're here. So, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're on the plane now. Say hi.
Yes.
We're on the plane. And yeah.
So,
We haven't got
our
on.
view's so pretty.
We just got on the plane. It's currently what time?
I have no idea.
Oh, 1:22.
Yeah. So, I'm playing this little tennis game. I suck at this game.
So yeah.